Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are continuing with our September Build a Journal Challenge, where we spend September building a journal one day at a time in an easy way. If you don't know what I'm talking about, as always, my introductory video is linked down below, as well as days 1 through 10, because today is September 11th. Ooh. I hate September 11th. Anyway, it's the 11th. Okay. Yesterday's video, we made 4 tuck spots. I told you to make at least 4 tuck spots. I made 6. And today's video, we are adding the tuck spots to our journal. Let's get started. This will be a short one because when I add things in, it's always a short video. But that's what we're doing today. So today I want you just to focus on adding your tuck spots in. I have my tuck spots here. I have 3 that go on the bottom of the page. These 3. I have 2 that go on the top and 1 that goes on the side. So I'm going to break these up. I have 6, so that means 3 for each signature. So I am just going to grab 3, 3. There, golden. That's what we're going to do. So let's find some spots, shall we? What do we have? I don't know what we're going to do. Oh. How about right here for this corner one? Look how good that looks. Okay, but does it look good with this page? I don't know. Oh, how about right here with this flower page? Is that better? I think so. Okay, where's my glue? Of course I didn't grab my glue out. Here's my glue, and we are just going to glue down here and down here. Now, if you prefer to use sticky tape, double-sided tape, go for it. I'm not your mom. You do what you need to do. There are crafters out there who will tell you, it doesn't dry. Everything will get stuck. But it's a tuck spot. It's not a pocket. It's a tuck spot. I would also use it right now, but I don't have thin enough. I don't have thin enough. I only have like 1/4 inch. Like I would want thin. And I don't have thin. Okay, so there we go. So let's find a spot for our next one. Okay, there's a pocket there, so we don't need anything there. Oh, here's pumpkins. So should we do the, oh, we should definitely do the pumpkin with the pumpkin. Of course. So this one, I told you in the last video that I would also use a stapler. So this is my We Are Makers little mini stapler. I know most people have the Tim Holtz tiny attacher. I got the We Are Makers because I'm cheap. Okay, so we're just going to take this and staple. And then I'll put a 3rd one in. Why not? There we go. So now that that's stapled, you can literally just put something up here and tuck it in. Okay? There we go. And last but not least, we have this one, which I wanted to make as a side tuck. A side tuck. Sorry about that. Oh, right here. What do we think? I'm going to put it up a little bit higher so I can still journal down here if I would want to. Or should we do it on the vellum? Should we do it on the vellum? Let's do it on the vellum. Now, the vellum, I'm going to use the sticky tape. I'll use this tape here, and then I'm going to staple. I just want it to be super secure on the vellum, and you can see through. You can see glue and stuff through the vellum. I prefer using sticky tape, the double-sided tape on my vellum. And then I still think I'm going to staple it. Okay, and then we can put it right in the middle because I don't have to worry about journaling over here. Okay, and then we're just going to staple, staple, staple. There we go. So we have this nice little tuck spot that, there you go. You can tuck something, obviously, under, but I really like the shape of that one, and it looks really good on the vellum, and you can still see the coffee cup and stuff through the vellum. Okay, so on to our next signature. So we have a top and two corners. So why don't we put this corner here? Yeah, I like that. So this one's gonna get glued. Ow, I have a dog trying to climb on my lap. Sammy, please get down. I'm almost done. It doesn't take long to film this video, Sam. If you could just be patient and wait. Okay. Okay, so there we go with that one. And let's see. Here's a pocket. We don't want to put anything here. I don't want to put the green with the green. Nope, that does not match that page. There's a pot. Ow, Sam, please. Okay, so how about right up here? Oh, with the yellow and the yellow. Perfection. So we're just going to glue the top. It's pink and gold on the other side. Okay. So we're just going to glue the top and, hey, stay in place. And get it to stay in place. And once again, I think I'm going to staple it just for double security. I don't care if there's staples in my journal. There we go. But that makes it a little bit more secure. And then, like I said, you just tuck it up. Okay. And one last one here. How about right here? Oh, it goes this way. So we're going to put that there with 3 sides, and then you'll be able to tuck in here like that. Okay. So we're just going to glue here and here. Ow, Sammy, stop. Okay. And then there we go. Let's get that down. We can lift this up and get it down a little bit better. Okay, so there we go. Now let's take a look at our tucks. Does anybody remember where we put them? Ouch. Not me. I don't remember. Okay, here we go. Here's one here. So there we go. Tucks in really nice. Okay, and then up here, tuck up there really nice. See that? And then here, tuck that in there. And then on to the next signature. So here we go. Tuck that in right there. And tuck that up there. And the last one, last but not least, this one here, where we can tuck like this and then open it up to journal. Just a little something different. Okay, so that was quick and easy, 10-minute video. This is an easy day. I just want you to concentrate on figuring out where you want to put your tuck spots and getting them in so they're nice and secure. You can staple, you can glue, tape, whatever it is you want to do just to get them in there and get them set and ready to go. Now tomorrow, let's see what's tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 12th and we are making 3 belly bands, at least 3 belly bands. Okay, and then on the 13th we add them to the journal. All right, so that'll be tomorrow. Comment down below and let me know what you use to put your tuck spots in. Let me know. Did you glue? Did you tape? What did you do? Thanks so much for joining me today. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.